In this video, we will navigate you through the Canvas workspace within the project, where you can create sequential steps for your data pipeline, including data collection, data validation, pre-processing, model training, and analysis effortlessly. We'll walk you through the various sections, from creating data pipelines to managing DAGs, and exploring project-level navigation options. Let's get started. After you create a project, you will be navigated to the canvas. Here is where you create the data pipeline. This is your primary workspace for constructing the data pipeline. Alongside, you'll find project-level navigation options that allow you to manage projects. Additionally, you can use these tools to manage directed acyclic graphs, DAGs. Let's discuss about each in detail. You'll find several key components to work with. Dataset icon. This appears when you import a dataset onto the canvas successfully or when a dataset is generated after running a recipe. Recipe icon. Recipes are essential as they execute various transformations related to data cleaning, preparation, analysis, feature engineering, model building, prediction, and visualization. Charts icon. This lets you visualize your data in the form of charts and scatter plots, which is particularly useful for gaining insights at a glance. Model icon. This represents a machine learning model generated after running a recipe. Artifact icon. This represents any artifacts generated after running a recipe, such as process data or results of analysis. Within each project, you have a set of navigation options that make managing your work a breeze. Scenarios. Here, you can create a new scenario or view all the scenarios created in the project. Prediction job. Create prediction jobs for specific problem types in rapid model recipes. These jobs handle data pre-processing and feature engineering on the uploaded dataset and use the refined data to get predictions. Jobs. Schedule and run data pipeline jobs at intervals that suit your workflow. Data apps. Create both model-dependent and model-independent data apps to extend the functionality of your projects. Settings. Adjust the project settings to meet your needs. About. Find a summary of the project. Now, let's look at some handy tools on the canvas for managing your directed acyclic graph, DAG. Use these options to enlarge or shrink the DAG to fit your viewing preference. You can fit the DAG into the size of your screen with just a click. Choose between curved or straight lines for aligning the building blocks, depending on your visual preference. If you like to manually arrange your building blocks, you can save that order too. The Auto-Arrange Canvas Nodes option formats the building blocks and lines in the flow for better readability and ensures connectors don't overlap. Lines in the flow for better readability and ensures connectors don't overlap. The snippet generator summarizes all elements on the canvas, giving you a quick overview of your project components. You can click the caret icon and select Publish to Jobs to publish the latest or updated canvas to the selected jobs. Now the jobs will run on the latest canvas. You can switch from one scenario to another from here. The Run button allows you to run the project. You can click the plus icon to add datasets or recipes onto the canvas. To interact with each block or node on the canvas, simply right-click on it. These options typically include View Details, view the columns in the dataset and its schema. Run Recipe, apply an AI-assisted or rapid model recipe to transform the dataset. Delete, remove the dataset block from the canvas. Collapse, collapse the other nodes attached to this node. AI Guide, use the AI Guide to engage in a chat with the AI, ask questions about the data, and get accurate and insightful text responses. These options allow you to manage and manipulate your dataset effectively, ensuring that you can perform necessary actions directly within the Canvas environment. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the Canvas workspace in Ask AI. With these tools and features, you can efficiently create, test, and refine your machine learning models.